Today we have to discuss about the topic staffing. First, we have to discuss about the introduction of the staffing. Staffing is the process that ensures that an organization has qualified staff at various levels of management to meet the short-term and long-term requirements. Staffing is the process for what to ensure the organizations has have qualified staff for the management to meet the short term and long term requirement. Next, we can see about the definition of staffing. First one, according to McFarland, staffing is the function by which managers build an organization through the recruitment, selection, and development of individuals as capable employees. The McFarland state that staffing is a function which by managers build an organization through the recruitment, selection, and development of individuals as capable employees. The function of staffing, the managers are building an organization through the recruitment and selection of the staff. Through that, the managers have to develop the individuals as capable employees. Next definition, according to Luther Gulick. Luther Gulick states that staffing is the all personal function of bringing in and training the staff and maintaining favorable working condition. He states that it's a all personal function of bringing in and training the staff and maintaining the favorable working condition. Next, according to the American Nurses Association, the term staffing is the process of procuring, developing, employing, appraising, rewarding, and retaining the various levels. The term staffing is the process of procuring, developing, employing, appraising, rewarding, and retaining the various levels. Next, we can see about the nature of staffing. The staffing is a team centered. In the one organization has staffing means in that organization have team. We have the so there is staffing is a team centered and it also consider more steps to select the staff. It is applicable to all organizations. Staffing is needed in all organizations. It is concerned with all categories of personnel from top to operational level. Staffing is the continuous activity as the manager. Each organization, the manager have the continuous activity, that is the staffing. Staffing help in placing the right person at the right job. Through the recruitment and selection, we can in the management can able to place the right person at the right job. Next, need and importance of staffing. Staffing is the critical function of management. This one is a critical function of management. Staffing help to build a sound human organization. Staffing ensure maximum output. Staffing provide job satisfaction. Staffing reduce the stress through the selection and recruitment. Staffing is a reduce the distress. Staffing help in reduce the absenteeism and turnover rate. Staffing provide benefit to consumers and the staffing prepare for future challenges. Next, we can see about the process of staffing. Mainly, it have 8 process through the process of staffing. Mainly, 8 steps we have. First one is a recruitment. First, recruit the persons, individuals for organization. Next, that the recruitment notification for in the recruitment. First in hospital in organizations First, select the for selecting the new employees in the management provide recruitment notification. Through that, the all individuals are able to apply the notification. After that, second one is the selection through the after completing recruitment, the management is selecting the individuals, and selection through the examination, online interview or offline interview of that, selecting the employees for the organization, and after the selection, selected employees provide orientation placement, the orientation about the organization, and direct job placement will be given. Next, training and development will be given. Through after the training and development, the employee have able to work hardly, and can able to um, meet the short term and long term goals. After completing the development and training, through the observing the employees work, and provide a remuneration according to the after calculating the performance of the employee in the organization through the performance evaluation, through that provide promotion and transfer to the employees. In that staffing, the process of staffing is the mainly 8 steps are there. First is the recruitment, second selection, orientation, training and development, remuneration, performance evaluation, and promotion. Till now we discussed about the topic staffing. Today we discussed introduction, definition, need. 3 definitions are discussed: natural staffing, and need and importance of staffing, and staffing process.